When creating a design, EESIM calculates the optimal values for each component in the schematic based on the design requirements entered by the user. EESIM then selects commercially available parts which satisfy those optimal values from a database of millions of parts. To see what part is assigned for any component, double-click on that component. A dialog box opens and displays that component's manufacturer and the manufacturer part number. Additional specifications for the component are also shown. Sometimes it is desirable to change a vendor part assigned by EESIM, perhaps because a different supplier is preferred or because a small adjustment in the component's specifications is desired. Click on the Select Vendor Part button to see recommended alternatives to the assigned component. Any of the alternative parts displayed result in a circuit which meets the stated design requirements. The filters used to select these acceptable components are shown above the parts list. The complete list of available filters is shown on the left. Most users leave these filters unchanged. To change the assigned component, simply click on a choice from the list. In addition to a huge catalog of commercially available components, EESIM also accepts user-defined entries. Click on the User-Defined button and then enter the desired specifications. After selecting a different commercial component or defining your own component, click Apply to update the schematic. The input and output capacitors play a critical role in the operation of a switched-mode power supply and have some special properties. First, note the orange bar alerting you that a change to this component affects the compensation of the circuit's feedback loop, and thus its stability. Using EESIM's recalculation functionality to ensure proper circuit performance after changing a critical component is highly recommended. To prevent a circuit recalculation from overwriting desired changes to a critical component, click to lock the component and fix its values during recalculation. An important property of ceramic capacitors used for input and output caps is their tendency to decrease in capacitance with increasing applied voltage. Actual capacitance at various bias voltages is included in EESIM's database of parts. EESIM selects capacitors based on their capacitance at the voltage applied in the specific circuit. Using this derated capacitance yields a more accurate design and a better match between simulation and real-world performance. While both the derated or actual capacitance and the nominal capacitance are displayed in the Edit Component Properties window, only the derated capacitance is shown on the schematic.